Well, we are officially in price discovery. This is a fun thing for the XRP charts. And what I will say is that there's still a lot of weight behind this. And we have to see, obviously, what things are going to look like today, how they're going to progress into the weekend. But I want to show you guys some very important things taking place right now. The certain metrics for XRP doing a 400% move to the upside. Also a golden cross taking place right now. All that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So overnight, XRP actually hit a high of $3.66, a price that we've never seen. I guess it depends on what chart you look at. Some charts say, $3.80. I believe that's on CoinMarketCap, but at least from the data that we have, this is in fact a new all-time high and a very big deal, an exciting moment for XRP holders. We made a very sizable move late yesterday, up 14.66% at close. And this is obviously all coming off of the news of the passing of the advancing of all three crypto bills. The Genius Act now going to the president's desk to be signed, the Anti-CBDC Act, as well as the Clarity Act going to the Senate for voting and discussions and all that, and debates and all that stuff, right? Now, what I will say here is we've gotten a little bit of red. XRP is red at the time of filming this video, and that's not surprising. We had a nice pump overnight. We saw some liquidations take place throughout the crypto market. We then see some long leverage liquidations take place. We're getting up into some pretty volatile areas. Understand that when we enter price discovery, there is insane volatility that comes with this. There will be ups, there will be downs. You could see XRP in these ranges run 20% in a very short period of time. Now, this isn't to scare anybody because we could see it both ways, but we're still at a time where conviction remains incredibly high in terms of XRP. There's a lot of still exciting stuff coming down the line. Not even close to XRP spot ETF approval yet, but think about what's going to happen when those take place. Remember, there's 10 of those filed. Now, what I did want to point to is XRP dominance, just absolutely surging, almost hitting a cycle high. We haven't seen, over 5.55% XRP dominance since all the way back here in 2020. So that is a huge move. It's been doing a lot better than most assets in the crypto market. It's had better conviction than most assets in the crypto market. And what's funny about this is there are still people betting heavily against XRP. I don't know why. They keep getting wrecked left and right. For example, the last 24 hours, almost $60 million in liquidations. Just absolute insanity. What's doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result? We're at $11.14 billion in open interest, easily an all-time high. You guys can see this surge is well past those January 2025 highs of about $7.8 billion. So where we're at right now is we're at a time where the market still continues to need some momentum. All right. XRP is the number 5 trending asset in the crypto market. It looks like we slowed down a little bit to start the day, but granted, we've done that almost every single day of the week. It seems like we started on a little bit of a red note, a little bit of pause, and then we just got progress. We pushed to new highs, right? Now, something I wanted to show you guys as well is optics around the crypto space are absolutely surging. Crypto search volume has, I believe, doubled in a very short period of time. XRP search volume just since July 8th alone has run over 400%. These are the highest levels we've seen in the last 90 days. And actually, if we even look at the last 12 months, we're approaching some of those levels that we saw around the RLUSD launch. Some of those that we saw around the highs in December, all right, when XRP price just absolutely went on some tears right here. So that's fundamentally where we're at. Now we're taking slow but sure steps forward, okay? Something I wanted to show you guys as well is Ali Charts posted that we actually just saw an MVRV ratio golden cross. The last time this took place, XRP actually surged 630%, and this signal just appeared. So fundamentally, we have a lot of things that are working in our favor. Something I wanted to show you guys as well is this is our SMA? No, why isn't that? Wrong chart. Sorry. Here's our SMA, and we are actually very close to a golden cross taking place on there. So might be suggesting that we have a little bit more in the tank ahead of us, but we'll have to watch and wait. The big thing that people need to know is we do in fact need adoption to start taking place. We still have a lot of capital that's going to rotate into assets here. We're still at only about 4.2% USDT dominance. And again, this big target down here, 3.85%. This is the big level that we got to breach and keep dropping through. The good news is that we keep seeing these injections of liquidity in the crypto market. Like I talked about in a couple other videos, we've actually had $3 billion worth of USDT minted over the past few days. We've had hundreds of millions of dollars of USDC minted as well. I mean, right now, everything's looking pretty darn good in the crypto market, and we'll just have to watch and wait and see what happens. It's a lot of fun. We're seeing a lot of interest in the space, and I don't think this stuff is going to quiet down anytime soon. Did want to show you guys, though, I do still have my XRP long open. That's actually up 166%, doing quite well there. I do have an XLM long open. That one's not doing quite as well. I kind of caught this one after the big surge, which sucks. It's up 13%. SHIB long up 228%. ADA long, that one I opened up pretty early. That one's 559%. And again, if you guys do want to check out BTCC or Margex and trade on leverage, there are links in the description below for you guys. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. Just understand that there is risk that comes with leverage. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.